Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of stuck on starting on Pixiv. You will click on settings. You will go to apps, default apps, app settings. You will search for Pixiv. You will go here to force stop and you will click OK. You will go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.